So I'm going to be talking a little bit about this Purell sanitizer that I got during the pandemic. I started seeing this all around buildings and had been seeing it in buildings, this and other kinds. And I do have another version somewhere else in the house, but I'm going to talk specifically about this one. So this one was inexpensive. It attached very nicely to the wall. It does take I think 4 batteries, which does allow it to last a long time. And the installation process is a little bit tricky, but it's okay. This is not going to come with the large reservoir of sanitizer in there. You're going to have to get that separately. And the installation can be a bit tricky. There are installation videos on YouTube and Purell's site that can help you. So I'm not going to do it now because the one I have is good to go for a while there. Although I think it does say it expires in 2023 sometime. And then this is motion sensitive. So you just have to look at this light here, and if it is if it is flashing like that, you know, it's operational. And so you want to put actually both hands under it. Let me actually do that again so you can see it. So you'll want to put both hands under it. I can't since I'm holding the phone, and you get that nice foaming stuff right there. This is more than enough to sanitize your hands. You might even end up working some of it into your arms, but I really love the foaming part of it. That's actually one of the reasons I got this. The foaming is just a lot lighter in your hand, and it's already started to work into a lather, so you don't have to do as much scrubbing. And so that's it. This is a really nice thing here. Only thing is that the installation of the container inside is a little bit tricky. Installation of the battery is a little bit tricky, but I'm pretty sure you guys can handle it. It's overall, it's very good.